A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video. And this video is on important years and dates that are related to agriculture. And come on, let's get into the video. And this video is very much important because all those things are important for your mains examination. Come on. 2004 firstly, it is the International Year of Rice, and 2007 it is International Year of Water, and 2008 it is the International Year of Potato, and 2009 it is the International Year of Fiber, and 2010 it is the International Year of Biodiversity, and 2011 it is the International Year of Forest. And next to this, 2012 is the International Year of Cooperative, and also it is the National Year of Horticulture. And International Year is set by United Nations, and the National Year is set by our Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. And nextly, 2013 is the year of International Year of Water Cooperation, and 2014 it is the International Year of Family Farming, and 2015 it is the International Year of Soil, and 2016 it is the International Year of Pulses. Next to this, 2018 is the National Year of Millets and not International, and International Year of Millets we will be going to have on 2023. Keep in mind, National Year of Millets it is 2018, and International Year of Millets it is 2023, and 2020 it is the International Year of Plant Health. We have left all those other years because they are not related to agriculture, and keep these things in your mind, and always differentiate the national and international years, because we are having different years in the same name itself, so never confuse things. And next to this, we are going to the date, and in January there are no days related to agriculture. Coming to the February month, February 2 it is the World Wetlands Day, and 10th of February it is the World Pulses Day, and 2016 is said to be the International Year of Pulses. You have to coordinate and read. And February 12th it is the National Productivity Day. Coming to the month of March, March 3rd is the World Wildlife Day. March 21st it is the International Day of Forest or World Forest Day. March 22nd it is the World Water Day, and March 23rd it is the World Meteorology Day. I want to say you one thing, along with these dates and days, you have to also note the theme that is set by the corresponding institution for the year 2021. So you have to be very much aware in the current affairs, so that it will be easy for you to note down all those themes regarding to this dates and days. And next to this, May 2nd, April there is no important days in agriculture, so we are entering into May. May 2nd is the World Tuna Day. It is one of the important fish, and fisheries is also said to come in a subject, so that I have added this. And May 20 it is the World Bee Day, and May 22nd it is the International Day of Biodiversity, and you have to compare with the International Year of Biodiversity, and it is 2010 I think, and May 22nd it is the International Day of Biodiversity. Keep in mind. June 1st it is the World Milk Day. Keep in mind, it is World Milk Day. In the upcoming slide we will be going to see the National Milk Day. So World Milk Day it is June 1. Keep in mind. And June 5th it is the World Environment Environment Day. Also, it is the International Day of Fish fighting against illegal fishing. It is the International Day of fighting against illegal fishing. Keep in mind. Next to this, June 7. June 7 is the World Food Safety Day. June 17 is World Day to combat desertification and drought. You can also take screenshot of the slide so that it will be easier for you. June 17, it is the World Day to combat desertification and drought. July 6, it is the International Day of Cooperatives. And July 10, it is the National Fish Farmers Day. Keep in mind, it is National Fish Farmers Day. And September 2nd, it is the World Coconut Day. September 18, it is the World Bamboo Day. September 22, World Rose Day. And September 29, it is International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste. And this is said to be important because this has been added in the year 2020. So there is a possibility of asking this question as it has been set recently. And next to this, International Coffee Day, it is on October 1st. And World Cotton Day, it is on October 7th. And October 16th, it is the World Food Day. And you have to remember that World Food Safety Day is on June 7th. But World Food Day is on October 16th. And November 21, it is World Fisheries Day. And you can confuse here. It is National Fish Farmers Day is on July 10th. Likewise, the International Fisheries Day is on November 21st. Then November 26th, it is the National Milk Day. Already I have said that June 1st is the World Milk Day. Likewise, November 26th is the National Milk Day. Don't confuse the thing. Next to this, December 5th is the World Soil Day. And you can compare with the International Year of Soil. It is on 2015. And December 5th is the World Soil Day. And next to this, December 15th, it is the International Tea Day. And remember the International Coffee Day? It is on October 1, I think. Let's check. Sorry. Yes. International Coffee Day is on October 1. And International Tea Day is on December 15th. And December 23, it is the Kisan Divas. That is our Farmers Day. And these all the things are very much important in case of our examination. So read all this well and keep in mind everything what I have said so far. And with this I am concluding. Hope the content will be very much useful to you. Keep watching and do subscribe our channel, and thank you for all the viewers.